Ellerman LLC has been providing high-quality residential and commercial roofing services in Kansas City and the Lake of the Ozarks for more than 3 generations. Our team of highly skilled roofers can conduct new roof installations, re-roofing, roof repairs, and routine roofing maintenance for all types of buildings and roofs. Ellerman LLC staffs a team of experts who excel at the repair, maintenance, and installation of architectural roofing, wood shake roofing, metal roofing, flat roofs, and roof coatings. As a full-service roofing and remodeling company, you can count on us to get the whole job done right from start to finish. We'd be happy to provide you with a free estimate for your roofing needs at either of our service areas in Kansas City or Lake of the Ozarks. To discuss roofing materials, roof repairs, re-roofing, or new roof installation in Lake of the Ozarks or Kansas City for any residential or commercial property, give the friendly team at Ellerman LLC a call at the location nearest you, or visit our website to learn more about our extensive remodeling and roofing services.